Gaslighting is a psychological manipulation tactic used by narcissists to assert dominance and control. This insidious technique causes victims to question their own perception and reality, often leading to significant emotional distress. Narcissists employ gaslighting to maintain power dynamics, exploiting vulnerable individuals by distorting their sense of self and worldview. Through gaslighting, narcissists often employ denial tactics, refusing to acknowledge their actions or the victim's feelings, thereby sowing seeds of doubt about the true nature of events. An unmistakable sign of gaslighting is frequent lying about known facts, accomplished with steadfast conviction, further eroding the victim's trust in their own memory and judgment. Additionally, narcissists might trivialize the victim's thoughts and emotions, dismissing them as exaggerated or invalid. This tactic is coupled with skillful reinterpretation of past events, leading victims to believe their recollection is inaccurate. Gaslighters commonly shift blame, avoiding accountability at all costs and instead projecting issues onto the victim, complicating the narrative and increasing self-doubt. A characteristic approach in gaslighting is isolating victims from their support systems, effectively cutting off external validation and assistance that could counteract the manipulative narrative. Consequently, victims may start to feel inherently flawed, believing they're too sensitive or overreacting in situations that seem clear-cut to outsiders. The psychological toll of gaslighting is profound, creating an environment of confusion and diminishing the victim's self-esteem. This emotional manipulation can trigger anxiety, depression, and a reliance on the gaslighter for a skewed sense of reality, where the victim's grasp on truth becomes intertwined with the gaslighter's fabrications. Recognizing gaslighting necessitates awareness of recurring patterns rather than isolated incidents. Observing repeated instances of manipulation, distortion, and denial aids in identifying the tactic and highlights the importance of resisting its damaging effects. For those affected, seeking professional help through therapy can be a pivotal step. Therapy provides a pathway to restoring self-worth, clarifying distorted realities, and fostering resilience against continued abuse. Awareness and education regarding gaslighting techniques are vital for prevention and early intervention in psychological abuse. Understanding these manipulation tactics empowers individuals to protect themselves and others, fostering healthier interpersonal relationships and promoting emotional well-being in a gaslight-free environment.